The U.S. dollar has seen a continued fall in early U.S. Trading, helped by the weaker ISM data coming out of the U.S. That has pushed pairs like the Aussie versus U.S. dollar to new highs. And I'll talk about the technicals that are driving this currency pair in this video, so let's get started. When the Aussie versus U.S. dollar goes higher, the U.S. dollar moves lower, and that's what we're seeing in price action in trading here today in this currency pair. Recall from yesterday, the price moved back above its 200-hour moving average. That's a green line in this chart, extending up toward the high price that we saw in trading on last Friday. Found willing sellers against that level. And in early Asian session, what do? We came back down to test that 200-hour moving average. Also happened to test the 61.8% retracement of this move down at the same time. Support buyers came in against that level and gave the buyers the go-ahead to push to the upside. That momentum continued with acceleration in the late Asian, early European session. That saw the price ultimately move up to this high price right here, which came within the swing area between 0.6287 and 0.6301, right around the 0.6300 level. This area was defined by a number of different swing highs right here, forming this ceiling through here. We broke above the ceiling, then tried to hold support here. Could not do that, fell back below that level, and although the price tried to get above the top of this ceiling area, couldn't quite do it, and then suddenly buyers turned to sellers, and we saw increased momentum to the downside in trading last week. Now, the move back into this swing area now has traders looking toward the 0.63016 level on the top side to get to and through, get above that level, and it should give the buyers more confidence to perhaps push down up toward the end of January high, or January 24th, this type high, which came in at 0.63131, and move above that level opens the door for further upside momentum. The high price that we saw going all the way back to this area right here, it reached all the way up to 0.6553. So there's lots of room to roam on the top side if this high can be broken. So be aware. First things first, however, we need to get above the 0.6301 level and stay above that level to increase the bullish bias. Close risk now can be eyed probably at this swing low right here, which also corresponded with swing low going back to this day right here, and swing high. Sometimes traders look for that point of reflection or deflection where things start to move, and we can see that price moved above that level and came down to that level, found support buyers for pushing higher. So that's my technical look at the Aussie versus U.S. dollar. Buyers are definitely making more of a play in trading here today. We'll see if we can continue that momentum. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.